So 6 months after the storm, and I don't know when they did it because we were away, they took away a lot of stuff off of our bridge. And they cleaned up over there in the distance. That was real bad. They took away a lot of stuff. It's not perfect, but it's way better than it was. And stuff is still coming down the river. You can see a lot of stuff on that big stone down there. That one right there. And that's probably just recent debris.
So while we were away, the electric company came over and dug up some stuff on our property and wanted to hook up electric for the other house across the way. And we just wanted to make sure they didn't get on the bridge because it was extremely dangerous and we were liable for it. So what they ended up doing, I don't know how they got the wires across, but because we weren't there to see it, I had a friend videotape this for me. But they ended up hooking up where the existing line went down and underneath my bridge. And then they set up 2 poles, one on one side and one on the other side. And they stretched 2 lines across of it. And it was quite a stretch, but they did that. And anyway, that's been repaired now. And I was over there the other day and it looks pretty clean. They did a nice job, and the poles aren't too bad. You can see they're setting up a pole on the other side there now. And I guess they got across from a logging road over there. So there's still a little bit of debris left on the bridge, but they cleaned up a ton of it. Whether or not we extend the bridge, we can't afford it. It's way too much money. So it's just it is what it is. You know, you can only afford so much. And there is a little bit of cleanup. I think that, hands can do this.
That nursery was flattened, removed. And that trailer we took out, we dragged it out of this area and put it over there, and they took that. So they did clean up a lot, and it looks like they cleaned up all of there was a RV stuck in the trees down there, a couple of them, and they took all of those away too. So they have done a lot of cleanup. So pretty nice. At least to start in the right direction. There's still more to do though.
So against the road, they left a lot of crap, but they did pick up a lot of the logs. I don't think they picked up any more trash because we had a lot of trash left over. And there's stones mixed in there and dirt mixed in there. And I don't know if they're being selective based on that, but they picked up the big logs, but there's still a lot of, obviously there's a lot of cleanup that needs to be done. So we're still in that mode, but what we want to do first is build a fence. I think I've talked about that. We want to sort of keep people off of the property because it isn't safe, and we don't want anybody to get hurt, obviously, because it is treacherous. So that's our next project. We're about to do that in the next couple of weeks.
This flag reminds me of this property. Still there, but kind of beat up.
Our neighbor came over today to see if he could help us with his tractor, but he said it wasn't the kind of tool to use. He thought it would dig up the property worse. So we're going to try and get somebody else to help us with a skid steer. To be continued. Talk to you soon. Thanks for joining, subscribing, and watching. Lord bless.